There's 4 squirrels on the tree. Two kits and a couple of mamas. I thought I had to go in and get the gimbal going and everything, and I lost. There's a mama. I was gonna say I think I lost the mama. This might be Shy Mama. She's the one with the little kit, I think. You want peanut, honey? She's shy. Come on, who wants a peanut? There's it. Chill girl, come on down. Is that you? Come on. Who wants a peanut? Anybody? Here, come on. Come on over to here. You want one? You're too little to take a peanut. That's a mama with a little kid. You're too little to take a peanut. You'll take a peanut when you get bigger. She's not afraid of me. The male runs right up the tree. He's a bully until he gets to somebody a little bigger. I might have mentioned it. I'm putting a pile here and a pile there, and that's for her because he chases her all around. So I gave you your own little pile. Oh, who's that sneaking up on you? Is that a mama? Oh, see? That's how he is. He came down to chase her, and he saw me and he ran. You're not afraid, are you? Woodpecker, guys and gals. And I've got to get my glasses on because I'm guessing. God damn it. No glasses. Glasses, hang on. Woodpecker, guys and gals. There's a squirrel sneaking by. There's a nice shot of the woodpecker. Guys and gals. Look at that. That's nice. I'm getting all the way I can be. He flies away this time. I'm going to lose him. The good stuff's in the Spanish moss. So he's in that area, see? Oh, morning woodpecker. And he came over. He didn't make a sound. Did I lose him? It's easy for me to lose him. I'm farsighted, so I have to put my glasses on to look. Anyway, there's one of my little tufted titmouse. Here's the black cap. That's the ones that I like. Oh, little fella. Little morning with a woodpecker. I'll keep an eye out for him. Let me pause and look for him again. Now, he might have flown away, but he might be up there. Here. Probably him right there. See what's happening, guys and girls. There's 2 woodpeckers, and my thing is telling me I'm full, and all I'm doing is pointing and praying to God you guys can see. It's not working anything. Anyway, guys and girls, I'm gonna hold it on him until it quits. It's got that big white thing across the screen that I can't see. The woodpecker. God, I hope this comes out. There might be 2 woodpeckers here, maybe 3. That's a little guy. Okay, guys and gals, I'm gonna dump this video. Yeah, they're different looking. Woodpeckers are very small. Is it red-bellied? Yeah, it's a red-bellied. All right, guys and gals, this is the woodpecker's little work. So I'm going to take us up there, and I'm hoping that we can see. I can't see if we can see. I see a hole. I'm trying to get a look at it. We're pretty far up. See the holes? I think I hear him now. He's chirping. He's here. I'm trying to get a good shot of him. Anyway. Want a peanut? Little girl here wants a peanut, I think. Coming down? Hey, you want a peanut? Guess not. Come on. You coming over to the tree, maybe? Hey, pay attention. If she doesn't look down, she's not going to do it. Hey, you going to look down? Oh, peanut? Damn. Where she goes? Where are you? She could be the tree girl. Oh, what a jump. She's not coming down if she would have came down. She's going home. Out there. I was going to tell you that I gave him 2 piles. I'm going to pick up where I left off. But this is my attempt at a woodpecker feeder that the squirrels can't get in. Hopefully. If you notice, it's showing clear right now so he can see stuff. He was here today. That's why I did this. And I wanted him to, his beak will go down in there. I don't think the squirrels can get in. Let's see what happens. Little girl. That's why she's so cute. And she's so little. You guys can see how little she actually is. I watch the videos and I say, geez, you can't see how little she is. She's so little. They're good, aren't they? Aren't those good? See, she's not afraid of me. He is. I like to sit with her. That's why I try to get a nice little close-up every day. You're so pretty, little girl. You're so pretty. And it's so nice of you. Yeah. Nice to let me do the Zoom. Oh, come on. I'll get back a little. I don't want you to be disturbed. I'm like a foot from her, guys and gals. So I'm going to go. She's so pretty. I'm telling you that. That is the cutest little squirrel on the internet. You're so cute, little girl. Yeah, you are. Do you hear me talking to you? I put those there for you. You got nuts and you got raisins. You leaving? She's leaving me. She'll come back.